Dining at Artist Point feels like stepping straight into an enchanted forest. The atmosphere is warm, cozy, quietly magical, with rustic details that perfectly match the Wilderness Lodge setting. The experience really shines with the character interactions. Snow White is sweet, Grumpy brings the laughs, and the Evil Queen, she's just as iconic, dramatic, and absolutely steals the show. The prix menu offers elevated comfort food with fairytale flair, from beautifully plated starters to rich, flavorful entrees, and a dessert trio that feels straight out of a storybook. Everything is thoughtfully presented and just as satisfying.
We don't want Snow White's heart. She's so sweet, right, princess?
It's so nice.
Yeah, you want right here.
Nothing feels rushed, and the pacing really allows you to enjoy both the meal and the moments. Overall, Artist Point is more than just dinner. It's all about the experience. Artist Point is a dining fate written in magic, memories, it's mesmerizing, and wickedly enchanting. And the magic will stay with you long after the final bite.